promised in my last video, today I will talk about when not to trade using Ichimoku clouds. In our last video in this series on Ichimoku cloud tutorial, we talked about 5 components of Ichimoku cloud, and I hope you have went through the video, and I will leave the link somewhere here in the screen, and I would encourage you to go through that video on understanding 5 components of Ichimoku cloud before watching this video. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand few important aspects about Ichimoku cloud. So, as someone who has written in depth about Ichimoku and who is making a video series on Ichimoku tutorial, it is my responsibility to share when a typical trader should not use Ichimoku cloud to enter into the trades. In other words, I will discuss when Ichimoku cloud is not going to work, and if you are using Ichimoku cloud to do your trading, you will be able to identify which is the stock which you should not trade using this indicator. So without further ado, I will go ahead and explain you the two important factors which will come into picture, which will help you to identify that this is not the right time to use Ichimoku clouds. So right now I have opened my detailed tutorial on Ichimoku cloud. Here I have mentioned that one important element of Ichimoku is that it does not work on all time frames. It is very important for the trader to understand Ichimoku cloud is not gonna work on all the time frames. Even if it does, the probability of getting the profitable trade reduces significantly. So, which are the time frames which you should not use to trade using Ichimoku cloud? So the answer to this is that any time frame lower than 1 hour does not work on Ichimoku. Typically, I personally use 1 day chart and sometimes even 4 hour chart or a weekly chart to trade on Ichimoku clouds. And sometimes I have to go on a shorter time frame, but I never ever go below 1 hour. So you should also keep this in mind that Ichimoku cloud does not work on lower time frames, and the lowest time frame which you can use is 1 hour. And I have seen traders using it on a shorter time frames like 5 minute chart or even 1 minute chart. I don't know how effective it is. As far as I am concerned, I have never tried Ichimoku on a shorter time frames like 5 minutes or anything below 1 hour, and I go by the wisdom and the advice of Nicole Elliott, and she is a very prominent trader, and she is a renowned trader using Ichimoku clouds and other indicators. And I have read her book, book named Ichimoku Cloud, and Introduction to Ichimoku Clouds by Nicole Elliott. I will mention the link to the book in the description if you want. And I go by her wisdom and her advice, and she clearly recommends that Ichimoku cloud should be used on a longer time frames of 1 hour and above. And going by her advice, I would highly recommend you not to use shorter time frames to trade using Ichimoku cloud. So this was one. Now coming back to the second equally important point. So the other equally important aspect is that it does not work in all market conditions. If the stock is trading in a range bound or a sideways mode, Ichimoku is not going to work. So the second aspect was that you should be able to analyze the stock which you are trading or the index which you are trading, and if it is trading sideways, Ichimoku cloud is not gonna work, and all the signals will not be reliable, and most of them will backfire. So it is better not to use Ichimoku cloud when the market is in range bound condition. Now many of you who are, especially who are newbies, will not be able to, you might not be able to identify that the market is trading sideways. So I will explain you with the help of the chart and with the help of Ichimoku cloud indicator that how you can identify that the market or the stock is trading sideways.